This is going to be a short and to the point video on how to play a few classic RTSes on modern macOS, such as Dune 2, Dune 2000, Command & Conquer Tiberian Dawn, and Red Alert. Please check the description as all the websites talked about will be linked in there, as well as a written version of this guide. These games, being old, have pretty minimal system requirements, so I'm using the lowly spec'd MacBook 2017 for the making of this video, and yes, you can run this on Apple Silicon. First, let's start with Dune 2, one of the earliest RTSes. You will need a copy of Dune 2, but you can find it on a lot of abandonware websites. Step 1. Go to the Dune Legacy website, link in the description, and download Dune Legacy for the Mac. Open the DMG, copy the Dune Legacy app to your Applications folder. Navigate to your Applications folder. Step 2. Right-click the Dune Legacy app and show contents. Go to the Contents, and then the Resources folder inside that. Step 3. Drag all the pack files from the decompressed copy of Dune 2 into the Resource folder. Or in my case, I'm using the Dune 2 ISO. In this particular ISO, all the game files are located in the dune2.cd folder. Pro tip time everybody, sort by kind to group all the pack files together. To make this easier, I'm going to shift-click all these files and then copy them, and then go back to the Resource folder and paste them. Or you can drag and drop, but either works. Step 4. Close out the application, go back to the app. If you double-click the application, you're likely to see a security warning. This is because it is an open source app and the developers did not pay for an Apple developer account. To whitelist the application, right-click and click Open. Now you can bypass this by clicking Open, and you'll never have to do this again. I'm not sure why Dune Legacy needs access to the microphone, but you can deny this if you want. From here out, you're now free to enjoy Dune 2 in all its retro glory. There's also a Sega Genesis port of the same title, and it can be run through emulators like OpenEMU, but it's a more limited game. Next up is the open source project, OpenRA. OpenRA stands for Open Red Alert, and this game engine can run multiple titles: Command & Conquer Tiberian Sun, aka Command & Conquer 1, Command & Conquer Red Alert, and Dune 2000. They are currently working on supporting Command & Conquer Tiberian Sun. It also supports integrated online play and allows for mods. Because of the many enhancements to the game engine, this is one of the absolute best ways to experience these games. At this point, OpenRA is a very polished experience and almost doesn't need a tutorial. If you're a seasoned Mac user, you can probably just skip the rest of this video and just download OpenRA. But you might want to check out the end where I show how to completely delete OpenRA and its many assets. With OpenRA, you do not need the original game disks unless you want the advanced features like FMVs and music. Go to the OpenRA website and download the latest release. When you open the DMG, you will see that there are separate applications for each individual title. Copy over the titles that you're interested in playing to your Applications folder. After copying, navigate to your Applications folder. Double-click a game. We're going to start with Dune 2000. With any of the titles, you'll see a quick install option, which will automatically download the assets needed to play the games. Advanced install, if you have the original game disc, allows you to install the FMVs and music for Dune 2000. Let's start by just doing the quick install. Click quick install and it'll download the assets, and they're not very big. We could start playing the game, but let's say we have the game disc. Click manage content. I have a copy of the ISO for Dune 2000. Again, I can't directly link to the game files, but you can find them on places like archive.org. Double-click the ISO to mount it. With the ISO mounted, let's go back to the game. Click Manage Content, then click Detect Game Disk. From here, you can check which assets you want to copy over. The process is pretty much the same regardless of title. If you're like me and a casual when it comes to games like this, when creating a game, I recommend using the handicap feature. The bots in the game are very aggressive and kind of unforgiving. The handicap will lower the amount of damage a player can do. For this example, I'm going to lower the ability for the bots to do damage by about 30%. OpenRA has a lot of great features like a full-blown map editor that you can access under Extras. The map editor is very straightforward and is a point-and-click experience. Deleting OpenRA games takes a little more than just dragging it into the trash. To get rid of the game assets like the FMV and music, go to your user directory. Go to Show View Options or hit Command J, and make sure Show Library Folders checked. Navigate into the library, then go to Application Support, then locate the OpenRA directory. If we get info, we can see this is using 500 megabytes. If you no longer want OpenRA, move this folder in the trash and the applications into the trash. Unlike the Dune games, the Command & Conquer series did make it to the Mac. If you have a retro Mac, you can download these games off sites like Macintosh Garden. I'd like to thank my patrons, and if you're looking for more tutorials, I've made quite a few on Mac gaming. My PlayStation 3 tutorial is quite popular. Check it out.